forever oneness, who sings to us in silence, who teach us through each other, dream self into human form. I am looking forward to put that in action with some amazing artists on the 22nd of February in New York City. You all are invited if you're there. And if you can't make it, you can share this message with those that you're connected with in New York City. Imagination, dream self into human form, what we call the body, is an instrument. And we will be introducing a couple of technologies and demonstrate how to use it to tune up the body instrument. I hope you can make it. I'm looking forward to it. And if you know what I'm talking about, you are definitely would be excited right now to be a part of that. I will leave all information with this video so you can make your way there. Have a grand and miraculous day. Stay strong and beautiful. Artistry and family. Peace and blessings.